because we didn't want to take care of the land God gave us. Sometimes so-called Goans came from outside Goa and settled down here, no? Maybe 1,000 years ago, they settled down. They are outsiders. There are no man evolved in Goa. All those who claim Goans are outsiders. They settled down here. Who is selling the land now to others? Local people, no? Local people sell their land to builders. And then why do we cry? And those who fight to save Goa, whether it is Claude Alvarez or whether it is Christopher Fonseca for so many years fighting for the rights of workers, or Pratima Coutinho, or so many other activists are not from Goa, including myself. Though my ancestors from Salsette, I don't claim to be a Goan. I don't claim to be from any place. I say my greatness comes from Him. I came from Him and I will go to Him. That is my greatness. Let us realize this. Let us not look down upon anybody as low based on their place of birth. You can say this is a good man, this is not a good man based on their acts, their habits. That we can do, but not on the place of birth. Let this realize, let this truth sink in us. God is punishing us in Goa. And who will redeem us? We have to kneel down, kneel and tell God, yes, we have sinned against you. We were filled with pride. Let us be humble before Him and He will redeem us.